guys, well, obviously, as you can tell, we got the skid loader, and we got 24 tons of stone delivered this morning, and it's time to kind of clean this place up. If you guys do know, the place has been a little bit of a wreck from time to time. Okay, pretty much the last year of the channel, the place has been a little bit of a wreck. It's under construction. I'm trying to get things as best I can figured out. So basically, what I want to do here is where the camper is and where the car trailer is, I want to put them on the side here, because this is obviously supposed to be a gravel path here, and then I want to go ahead and spread the stone all throughout over there, and that should take up pretty much just 24 ton of stone. And then if I have any left, I'll spread it down through the rest of the driveway. But let me get started. Without further ado, as you can tell, we already got it off the trailer, and kind of been playing around a while, but figured I'd come up here and explain some things, what we're gonna do. But let me get back in the skid loader and keep plugging and chugging. I'm not gonna lie, if you guys are gonna buy one of these, a huge must is heat. I'm in there sweating. As you can tell, I got my jacket in there. My gloves are off. I'm literally sweating trying to run this thing. So we're gonna turn the heat off. But as you guys can tell, we're gonna we cut it back just a little bit there because it actually has eroded down over the years. And we're gonna go ahead and get all this straightened out. We're gonna get this all straightened out. But it's coming along really, really well, guys. I'm excited. The other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually end up moving the camper over here, and I'll probably see if we can't get the car trailer here, and then we're going to do something different with the dog. I'm going to give him a big run the whole way up through. I think what we're going to do is probably towards the front of the camper there, we're going to get a stake, and then we'll get a lead that comes the whole way down to the house. That way he has some more room to run and kind of be himself and have some fun. So there you guys have it. If you guys like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, And like I said, we're making big changes to the channel this year. So I hope you guys are ready. 2020 is just around the corner, and I'm excited, and I hope you guys are too. So take care, guys, and I will see you in the next upload. Well, everything looks fantastic here. As you can tell, we did move the camper over here. The little trailer, we're gonna actually end up tucking back through there. Again, like I said, we're gonna put a lead up to the top of the hill so that Diesel has some more room to run. And then also we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit more stone. I think I can probably get away with probably about 10 ton of stone just to do this area here. This area was actually really low. When I pull this, I'm gonna get the load of stone dropped. I'll probably end up just throwing that by hand because it's really not much, just this little area here. But I'll get it dropped here, get it all thrown in, and then get the this is actually the 53 project. We'll get the 53 project moved over here, and then we're gonna have a huge driveway to do things, guys. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. How many people in there didn't believe that I knew how to run a skid loader? All right, guys, take care. We'll see you in the next one.